Welcome to the Golden Lady, the home cooking channel. Let's make the evergreen basic pickled mango recipe from the Telugu states of Andhra and Telangana. Take 1 kg of clean raw mango pieces in a bowl. Add 50 grams of red chili powder, 50 grams of mustard powder, 60 grams of sea salt, and give it a mix. Now add 150 ml of gingerly oil and mix thoroughly. This is the basic recipe. For a twist, you can add the mango seed after cleaning it dry. It marinates along with the pickle and soaks in all the flavors. Keep it aside for 3 days for it to mature and mix daily. Adjust the masalas if needed on day 1. The spicy and sour mango pieces and the savory gravy will elevate the taste of any meal. Let me know if you like the recipe in the comments below. And please subscribe to the channel. I will meet you again with another delicious recipe. Until then, take care.